Welcome back to AlgoElevate. So today we will talk about some job opportunity. Quest Global is hiring for junior engineer for the location of Pune, okay? Pune, Maharashtra. And the responsibility is develop and deploy AI/ML and generative AI solution using Python. Work with LLM project and develop and maintain Python-based backend service for AI workflow. Perform data processing, model fine-tuning, and evaluating. Integrate AI API SDK into product. Build a scalable ML pipeline, okay? Collaborate with data scientists and AI engineer to implement AI feature and stay updated on latest AI and Gen AI Python trends, okay? Work experience required a skill, a bachelor degree in computer science, AI, data science, or related fields. 0 to 1 year of experience in Python. Knowledge of generative AI concept, text, image, code generation. Familiar with AI API, OpenAI, Gemini. A strong understanding of data processing, pandas, NumPy, and basic understanding of cloud platform AWS, GCP for AI development. Okay. So guys, अगर आप interested हैं, please go and apply now. Next job जो है वो है FEXLE Fresher hiring 2026. If you are fresher with an open mind and passion to find solution, we would love to work with you. Okay, start now. So position जो है डेवलपमेंट क्वालिटी एनालिस्ट एंड बिजनेस एनालिस्ट एनी. सो गाइस, अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो जाइए और अप्लाई कीजिए. सब डिटेल यहाँ पे भरा हुआ है. आपका रेंज के हिसाब से आप सही से भरिए ताकि और आप पोजीशन के हिसाब से अपना रेज्यूमे जरूर दीजिए ताकि आपको शॉर्टलिस्ट होने में कोई दिक्कत ना हो. सो नेक्स्ट जॉब इज Airbus is hiring for data engineer internship. This is for fresher, undergraduate, postgraduate engineering student for the location of Bangalore. Responsibility is assist in building maintain data processing pipeline code EA220 DMU project, help extract data from various sources, support the development and simple web API using Node.js, AWS, collaborate with senior engineer and team members, document code and process to ensure clarity and maintainability, learn and apply best practice of software development and engineering. Candidates shall have willing to work in European shifts, timing like 10:30 p.m. in summer and 11:30 p.m. in winter. Consistently ensure the one-time delivery and quality of the project. Requirement जो है currently pursuing recently completed bachelor or master degree in computer science, data science, solid understanding of programming language, good grasp of data structure, basic knowledge of SQL, strong problem solving skills, familiar with cloud concept and basic understanding of AWS, knowledge of RESTful APIs, and experience with version control system like Git, good communication skill and advanced level of English and active listening. लोकेशन बेंगलोर है. 3 मंथ ड्यूरेशन है इंटर्नशिप का. टाइम डिस्क्लोज नहीं है. वर्क डिटेल 5 डे है. इंटर्नशिप टाइप जो है फुल टाइम इन ऑफिस है. सो गाइस, अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है तो चाहिए और अप्लाई कीजिए और प्लीज रिज्यूमे को ऑप्टिमाइज कर लीजिए ताकि शॉर्टेस्ट हो. नेक्स्ट जॉब इज Persist is hiring for AI engineer for fresher. इसका 7 days बाकी है लास्ट डेट में. Responsibility is design and build the first working prototype for the Vibe coding platform. Integrate AI model that translate text prompt into Roblox Studio script or environment. Implement a smooth user interaction for creating, editing, and testing game. Collaborate with Roblox communities and test and refine the experience. Optimize for scalability, perform and institutability, gameplay creation. Requirement is studio development, LUA programming, Python, AI integration, OpenAI, generative AI model, fast API, Node.js backend, and game design, user interaction, and version control system. Prompt engineering, creative प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड ग्रोथ माइंडसेट। ओके, लास्ट डेडलाइन जो है 27 नवंबर है। सैलरी इसका होगा 3 LPA मिनिमम, मैक्सिमम 8 LPA। वर्क 5 है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम फुल टाइम के लिए। फ्रेशर एलिजिबल है, तो गाइस अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है तो चाहिए रिप्लाई कीजिए। लास्ट डेट जो है इसका लास्ट डेट पड़ जाता है 27 नवंबर। सो अगर आप इन जॉब के लिए एलिजिबल हो और आप फ्रेशर हो तो प्लीज अपना रिज्यूमे ऑप्टिमाइज कीजिए एज द बेसिस ऑफ जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन, देन अप्लाई नाउ। If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Best of luck, guys.